A friend of mine wanted me to 3D print this jig. It's a cutter to cut dough, like when you make cookies. So it has a sharp side, and then what happened is that the 3D printer failed because the sharp side on the bed doesn't have enough surface to stick on the bed, so it failed and it only printed this part. But I thought in saving it, so I cut this piece of wood, and what I'm planning is to somehow fix this into the wood and make it like a handle, so you can use it like this. Let's see what happens. Alright, so this is what I meant to make this channel here with the router. So the jig fits here, yeah, like this. Okay, I glue the piece and sand it, and my favorite finish. I think should be able to cut the dough.